Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to log in to your Xoom.com account. If you're trying to log into your Xoom account, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in right into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box and type in xoom.com and search. Once you end up in the official site, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right hand corner. Now, go ahead and click on either the login with PayPal or login with Xoom option. If you've got a PayPal account, you can simply click on login with PayPal and then go ahead and enter the credentials. Sign in by entering your email address first that is associated with PayPal and click continue. Now, go ahead and type in your PayPal account's credentials to log in. Type in your email or your phone number associated with your PayPal account. Once you are done entering the email, click on Next. Now, enter the password for your PayPal account and then click on the login button, which will then log you into your Xoom account. So that is how you can easily sign into Xoom.com within a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.